celebrates the ultimate success of the FIRST mission and the FLL core values. The Champions Award winner is the total package, the embodiment of the FIRST LEGO League vision. The Champions Award encompasses robot design, robot performance, project, and teamwork, as well as honoring the team's understanding and practice of courageous professionalism and FLL values. The FLL experience is more than building robots or researching a problem or attending competitions. It begins with the robot, but most importantly, it is defined by how the children unite to form a team. The program impacts each of them as individuals and as team members. This award celebrates the ultimate success of the FIRST mission and FLL core values. It measures how the children inspire others about the accessibility and excitement of science, technology, and engineering, while demonstrating respect, encouragement, and continued gracious professionalism. The winning team is given the honor of serving as a valued role model for FIRST and the FIRST LEGO League program. This is such an important award, I need some help giving it away.
As our chosen champion, this team best exhibits the goals and mission of FIRST LEGO League. They dominated the categories and could have earned any of our prestigious awards. No one did it better than this team in pink. Congratulations, Team 26, up next.